Hi, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Georgia for those of you who are new, and to my regular subscribers, welcome back. As you see, we're starting out on the main page of my YouTube channel. And the reason we're doing this is because I want to show you my playlist regarding the video that I'm doing today, how to use WordPress. As you see from the title, it's called How to Add WordPress Themes to your blog. So I have a playlist here on my YouTube channel where it says how to use the WordPress blogging platform, where after I post the videos on YouTube here itself, I also add it to the playlist. I'm going to link the playlist below for you as well, so you'll have easy access, and I'll also link it in the cards above. So, um, if you need to know anything about WordPress, this is where all the videos would be. Of course, it's scattered all over my channel because, as you know, my channel is diverse. I do a lot, so I try to compartmentalize everything by putting them in playlists. So this is one of the playlists you want to look at if you have any questions about WordPress, and see if I've made a video concerning what your question is about. And if not, then leave it in the comments, and I'm looking to see if I could help you by making a video. All right, so the way we're going to do this now, if you look at my blog is called Clickbank Queen. And with my blog, again, I do a lot. I cover late breaking news. I do videos concerning entertainment news. I also upload every video that I put on YouTube. I also put it here on my blog. So my blog is not geared to one type of genre. Again, it's mixed. So this is my blog right here. These are all the articles right here in the middle along with their thumbnails. And on the side of each on each side we have either AdSense ads or other items that I am promoting. So this is the theme that I'm using, and I'm going to go into the back office and show you what the theme is. So yeah, let's go on over. So this is the blog. Right now it's sprinkled, sprinkled, but a little bit more than sprinkled with AdSense ads, because as you know, with Google AdSense, this is where you get most of your revenue. So you put ads all over your blog. Okay, let's go into the back office of the WordPress, and we're back here now. And let me take you into where we have the themes that we're using. So we will go into appearance. On the left side here, you have all of these tabs. You would hover over appearance, and then you would click on themes. And I am using this theme called Mad Magazine. As you see right here, I'm hovering over it. It said Mad Magazine, and it says active, and I could customize it any other way that I want to. Now, if I wanted to try other themes, which I've downloaded some, then what I would do is I would ask to add a new theme. Click on add a new theme. And according to the classification, like I have in news, I call it my news blog. So I would go over here and type in news. And here are all of the themes associated with news. Now, what you would do is decide which one you would want to take a look at. Let me see. This one called Enter News seems interesting, but let's scroll down and see what else is there. We have colorful newsy, news notes. So this is the layout of what they all look like. Um, Engage news, gossip news, great news. So this looks like a New York City or Washington Post news theme. But I want something more fun, because this look more that look very, yeah, I want something more fun, something where I could incorporate entertainment news and everything, and something that pops, that makes the reader want to click and see what's going on. But my problem is that I also want to be able to run my ads. I have a lot of AdSense ads and a lot of things that I promote, and so that's why I keep the Mad Magazine theme. Um, All right, so for the sake of just getting through this video, let's just click on this one. Let's click on Bulletin News and install it. I'm going to run through so you just see how it works. We're going to go in and we're going to activate it. Don't worry, you'll be able to get back your other one. Okay, and then we want to see what it looks like when we activate it. So you could either come over here and do a theme preview. We could have done that before we activate it, or we'll just come back over to the other tab that I already have open, and then I'll do a refresh. So this is the Mad Magazine theme that we have right here. Let's do a refresh or reload and see what the other one brings. So it's finished loading, and this is what the theme looked like. As you see, there's nothing much going on over here. It just looks horrible. So that's why you would usually come in and do a preview. All right, let's get out of this and go back to our regular theme, because right now it says active theme is bulletin news. We don't want that. Let's go back to our regular theme, which is Mad Magazine. Let's activate it. Okay, so that's activated, and now we don't want to clog up this area right here with themes, because it will slow down your WordPress blog. So we will come back and delete it. But I already showed you a video of how to delete your themes. I'm gonna link it up above so you'll see it. We're gonna still want to go in and try and look at another see if we could look at another theme to see how our blog will look on it. All right, I already have this one installed. I don't remember if I ever opened it up, but let's do a live preview instead of activating it. Do a live preview. And here we have a live preview. This beige color, tan color at the top is where you would have your AdSense ads. And this is done purposely so that you don't click on it, because if you click on your own ads, and AdSense or Google will delete your account. So keep that in mind. Don't ever click on your own ads, because it creates a conflict. So this is what this theme looked like. These are all of the latest articles that I've posted. And I don't like the way it looks for two reasons. It's not going to show all my other ads. Like I said, on my other theme, I have ads on the left side, on the right side. Um, it doesn't show enough at once. Like, you have to keep scrolling down to find the stories. And in my opinion, I should be able to have one quick glance at my theme to see which story I want to click on. And here I have to be scrolling down. So this one wouldn't work for me. And that's why you see I keep the Mad theme activated. Now to get out of here, you just click on the X to the left, and that will take you back. And that will take you back to the themes page. Now, let's see, you have a different type of blog. Like I said, I have a news blog, so I look for news themes. Um, let's do add new, and just to look at some of the other themes available back here. And these are all free. That's the thing. They have paid themes that you could buy outside of WordPress. But why go and buy when they have such beautiful themes available? So we have some that are popular. You don't know exactly what you're looking for, you could just click on the popular tab and then scroll through to see what you would want to use. It comes, of course, installed with a couple regular themes. Like, for instance, this 2016 one is very popular. This Hestia theme is very popular. And then you will go in and you will customize it the way you want to. But if you have a particular one, I should consider looking at this enter news, but I'll do that afterward, or this news up. You'll see they're popular. I'll do it afterwards. If you have a beauty blog, let's say, let's type in beauty and see what comes up for beauty. See all of these beauty blogs, beauty themes that you could use for your blog. Just customize it the way you want to. And don't get intimidated by all this and all that. There are tons of videos here on YouTube that could help you with everything that you want to know. You don't need to hire anybody to help you with this. Believe me, I myself was a little skeptical, a little bit hesitant to go ahead and do, my own customization. But I, you know, day by day, just took the time, and now I got my blog to where I want it. Look at all of these beauty blogs, beauty themes that you could use if you have a beauty blog. But like I said, I haven't used themes, so I'm just letting you know that even though when you do open up your WordPress account, that WordPress does have a support system for you. Also, let's go back to the dashboard. Wow, look at 3,988 themes they have available. Let's go back to the dashboard, and on if you go into the back office of your WordPress dashboard, on here on the side, they tell you all about the upcoming events that they have. If you're able to, and most of these are webinars that you could watch to help you to learn anything that you want. And you also have where you could go in and send emails or go into chat rooms and ask as many questions as you want. But we're digressing. We'll come to that in another video. I just wanted to show you how to go about getting different themes for your WordPress blog if you don't like the theme that it comes with. So that's how you do it, guys. I will link the playlist down below with all the other videos that I've made so far. If you have a particular question that you want me to cover in the video, go ahead and leave it in the comments. And until next time, I think that's it. Yeah, I think that's all we're going to cover in this video. Next time I think about another one, I'll come back and do another video for you. Remember to subscribe to the channel, like this video, leave a comment if you wish. And until next time, take care of yourselves and your family. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.